Ladies and gentlemen, gather round. Today we're plunging into the wonderful world of lavender, also known as Lavandula angustifolia. This plant isn't just a treat for your garden, it's a superstar in the world of natural remedies. Let's talk about why lavender is a must-have. Known for its calming and anti-inflammatory properties, this delightful herb can be your go-to for treating anxiety, insomnia, and various skin conditions. Imagine having a natural remedy right at your fingertips. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of caring for this amazing plant. Watering cycle. Lavender is low maintenance when it comes to watering. Give it a drink every 2 to 3 weeks. Easy peasy. Season for growth. Lavender loves the sun. Plant it in the spring and watch it thrive in warm, sunny climates. Harvest. The flowers are ready to be harvested when they are fully open, perfect for your DIY project. Soil. Lavender prefers well-drained, sandy or loamy soil with a pH between 6.5 and 7.5. This plant likes to keep its feet dry and happy. Speaking of sunlight, lavender needs full sunlight to grow its best. We're talking about 6 to 8 hours of bright, direct sunlight each day. So, find that sunny spot in your garden and let your lavender bask in the glow. But wait, there's more. Lavender isn't just pretty and fragrant, it's also packed with medicinal benefits. Calm your mind. A few drops of lavender oil in your diffuser can help reduce stress and anxiety. Sleep like a baby. Struggling with insomnia? Lavender is your natural lullaby. A sachet under your pillow can do wonders. Skin savior. Soothe burns, insect bites, and skin irritations with a dab of lavender oil. Transform your garden and your life with lavender. Nature's little purple miracle. There you have it, folks. Lavender isn't just a plant, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Get planting, stay relaxed, and enjoy the magic of lavender. Well, this is SMF, a botanist dedicated to educating about the medicinal benefits of plants. Please subscribe to Botanics by SMF and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's join the leafy adventure together.